Hello friends! If you have never flushed the engine after changing the oil, or have recently purchased a car and don't know the exact condition of the engine, or the water of mixed with the oil, then it would be better to flush it. This means that there are many resources for this, such as 5-minute remedies. They are poured over the oil that will change and will have to wait a while. Then drain the used oil and replace it with a new one. There are also soft oil. They are poured into the oil in the engine, and it cleans the engine from varnish coating, and fresh deposits without harms the engine. And the last way to cleanse the cleaning oils. You need to completely drain the used oil, then remove the cleaning oil in full and drive on it. Then drain and change to new oil. Also, same varnish the engine with diesel fuel. Pour it into the place of oil and start the engine. You can't do that at all. The engine will not be completely cleaned after this procedure. On a fresh coating will be cleaned. Varnish covered with pot, and that's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.